Introducing the all-new, all-electric BMW iX. 320 miles of range, 86 mpge, 0 to 60, 4.5 seconds. This is a beast of an electric vehicle. Starting off, I want to highlight the front of the vehicle. As you notice, there is this large kidney grille. This actually serves a purpose, and it stores your radars for your safety systems. Also, another cool fact, it is self-healing. Moving on to the side of the vehicle, you'll notice that aerodynamics plays a huge part in the design of this vehicle with the massive aerodynamic wheels and the flush door handles. One of the first BMWs with this design. You'll also notice that on the 4 and 2s. Let's go ahead and take a look inside this beautiful flagship model. So, stepping inside the iX, you'll first notice this magnificent 26-inch iDrive 8 display. Now, this is going to give you an ultra high definition display, along with a lot of functionality carried over from other iDrive systems, just evolved for our modern vehicle.